In this video, we'll walk you through using navigation on select Toyota GR Supra models. To operate Supra's navigation system, use the remote Toyota Supra command controller to control the central multimedia screen. Selecting the navigation tab from the main menu will open a new menu with options like Enter Address, Recent Destinations, Enter New Destination, Add Intermediate Destination, Maps, Trips, and Settings. Let's go over how to enter an address and begin guidance. First, select navigation from the main menu, and then choose Enter Address. Selecting this option opens a submenu where you can either speak your destination address into the voice assistant by pressing the voice command button on the steering wheel, or enter it manually by state, city, and either street and house number or intersection. Whichever way you choose, select Start Guidance once the address is entered. The route will be calculated and the current route preferences are shown. If you want to change anything here, simply select Change Route Preferences. Otherwise, a preview of the route will appear before the map zooms into street level view.
Please proceed to the highlighted route.
At which point the guidance begins. As you travel to your destination, a shortcut menu offers control over guidance and route options, as well as settings for voice instructions, traffic information, and map details. For instance, under Guidance, you can stop the navigation, enter a new destination, or even add an intermediate destination along the way. Under Route, you can select which route to take, as well as change settings like avoiding highways or tolls. Traffic Info provides detailed information about the traffic along your route, while Map Content and Map Views allow you to select which details are displayed on the map, as well as how the map itself is presented. Now back to the main navigation menu. You can also view your recent destinations, which is handy if you need to select a frequently used location, as well as Enter New Destination, which is similar to Enter Address, except that it searches based on place name or type of business, rather than a specific address. One last section worth going over is Settings, found at the end of the navigation menu. Here you can customize various aspects of the navigation system, like display settings, the route and map settings mentioned earlier, as well as your stored home address. If you have Apple CarPlay active, there will also be an option to open it through the navigation menu. But please note that Apple CarPlay-based navigation is a separate program that runs independently from your Supra's onboard navigation. This also means that while you would use the vehicle's voice command to control guidance for the onboard navigation system, you'd use Siri for voice command management of navigation presented through Apple CarPlay. For more information about Supra's advanced technologies, please refer to your owner's manual or visit Toyota.com.